Oh, I feel good. Oh, wow. The smell, the aroma of this delicious, yummy, tanta, yummilistic, healthy cake. What am I talking about? I'm talking about orange cake. Yeah, it's all over my house. Oh, God, yeah. So I welcome you on Mirian Dike channel. Don't mind Mirian, yeah. As you already know, she's always on cake entertainer. So today I have a special cake for you guys. If you watch my last video I posted, that is orange oil. The benefits of orange oil, and you can also use it to bake cake or cook or put it in your juice, anything you want to eat, because of its benefits inside our body and outside our body system also. So in today's video I want to show you guys how I use this orange oil to make orange cake, which is very yummy, like I said. And guys, you will thank me later after seeing how I do it and after doing it exactly the way I did it. Yes, and then you will judge whether orange oil, homemade orange oil, is good or not. Let's go to the kitchen. So we are now in the kitchen. Here is the 3 eggs I'm going to use, and that is the orange oil I made in my last previous video. So I'll now set both of them aside and let's keep moving. Here is my flour. Here I have 200 gram of flour. Then I'll go ahead and add it 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and make sure that I turn both of them very well. So here is the orange I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm going to cut off the head, divide it into 2, and make sure that I slice it very well. But before then, don't forget to wash your orange, because I wash mine, dry it very well before cutting it, like I'm showing you right here. Keep watching. So now you go ahead and sieve the flour on it. Just take it gradually and make sure you turn it very well. So now the orange batter is going straight to the oven to be baked for 25 minutes depending on your oven setting, for 180 degree depending also on your oven setting. And then after, it will be ready. Just keep watching. Let's see the outcome of this orange cake. So the cake is done. Yeah, let's just go ahead, turn it upside down and cut it. Okay, so I think putting it this way. Whoa, 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 whoa. This looks so beautiful. Did you see that? Did you see the inside of this cake? Let's go ahead and cut the number 2. Okay, just to show you the inside of this cake, how it looks like. Have you seen it? How soft. Look at it very well. How soft it is. Yeah. So you have seen that you can make a delicious cake with this orange oil. So that is it for today. I hope you will make it the way I made it. So take a look at that. Tastes so delicious. And here is the remaining of the orange oil, which I'll use to show you guys another home remedy you can use for it. Keep watching and know the outcome of that remedy, what it's going to be. Who knows? Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video. Always stay tuned. Share this video to your family and friends, and don't forget to watch how I made this orange oil and know about the benefits of it. Love you guys. Bye.